Few ways to achieve this. Dasaita's G13 natively supports a SIM card, so you can have dedicated voice and data in your car. One advantage is the absolute convenience, as well as operating tracking apps if you wish to do so. As you can see, the G13 supports a variety of mobile carriers. Now, if you are going to use a SIM card, to activate the voice calling features, make sure the SIM card voice call option is set to yes in the factory menu. When mobile hotspot is on, you're effectively creating portable Wi-Fi for people near or in your car to connect to. Unless you want to share your data, you can easily turn it off to save bandwidth. There's also the ability to disable data but leave voice calling and messaging enabled, if you choose to manually control when you want to use your SIM's internet. I'd find this extremely useful if you have a cheap prepaid plan. Now, if you just want to connect to Wi-Fi in your driveway or somewhere like a Starbucks, you can easily activate your Wi-Fi antenna to search for nearby hotspots. The last way I recommend is turning your own phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. This way, you can share your phone's internet data to the G13. You can also password protect this connection quite easily so that only the G13 can connect to it automatically. This method works best as you can use the same phone plan, as well as having a unit be connected to the internet anywhere you are.